The Clever Leprechaun. In a green forest in Ireland, a small leprechaun lives under an old oak tree. His name is Finn. Finn wears a green coat, a tall hat, and shiny black shoes. He makes beautiful shoes for fairies. He works every day and sings funny songs. Finn has a pot of gold. He hides it at the end of a rainbow. One day, a farmer walks through the forest. The farmer sees Finn. "Aha!" says the farmer. "I catch you. Now show me your gold." Finn smiles. Leprechauns are very clever. "Of course," says Finn. "My gold is under that tree with a red ribbon." The farmer ties a red ribbon on the tree and runs home for a shovel. But when he comes back, he looks around. Every tree in the forest has a red ribbon. The farmer scratches his head. "Where is the gold?" he says. Far away, Finn the leprechaun laughs and disappears into the forest. And his pot of gold stays safe.